All right, guys, here we go. We're going to take a quick look and review of Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. Then we're going to go to the weekly chart because it's actually the most important one. And as you can see, yesterday when the ETF, spot Bitcoin ETF started trading, we had a little pump in the market and then we gradually sold off all day. And actually the candle ended up closing red. And then here we are today, stronger and stronger pullback. Seems more people are jumping in, bigger money coming in here and pulling this thing down a bit. And last evening we posted on X that we were expecting a pullback in the market. And the reason for that, now we're on the weekly chart. Each candle is 1 week of price action. Now, yes, as you can see over here, we still have 2 days to go before this weekly candle closes, and then of course 9 hours left in today's candle. And Bitcoin, or actually any asset, anything can happen between now and the close. But right now we're fading down pretty strongly, and this could end up being a reversal candle. Okay, this topping tail, and especially if we turn red or close red today, we could expect another red week next week. Okay, and the reason for this, we teach our Patreon members that 70% of the time when you have this consolidation zone, and it doesn't matter if you're on a 2 minute chart, daily chart, or in this case, a weekly chart, it happens just the same. All these setups are the same no matter what time frame you're on or asset. They all do the same thing, okay? So anyway, here we are, about 5 weeks of sideways consolidation within a reasonable price range. And then when you get a breakout candle, basically a near term, because we haven't been this high since back over in March of 22, okay? Whenever you get a breakout like that, 70% of the time it fails. All right. So they bring everybody in, everybody gets FOMO, looking for a breakout and then continuation to higher highs in this near term location. But 70% of the time it fades just like it does now, and you get follow through to the downside. In other words, more downside. And then kind of put that in perspective here. Let me put everything back on here. We had this kind of double top high pivot location, like I was saying, going back to March of 2022. And the further away a double top or a high pivot location is, the stronger the resistance. Okay, you would think the closer, the stronger, but it's not. It's the further away, the stronger. So here we are, and we really need to get back up and over that green dash line. Let me put the daily up here in order to become more bullish. All right. So near term, we need to get back up and over that green dash line, but also regarding support, where are we going to come down to? Where is this thing going to, when's the pain going to end? And one of these areas, particular areas, would be, let me pop a line through there so you can actually see it. Let me make that blue for support, would be this low pivot area here. And the simple reason being is that we came huge sell off candle, but it was bought back up. And then we did a pivot back up to the upside. Okay. So this area here, along with the 20 and this long-term uptrend line. Okay. So we have within, a few dollars, well, according to Bitcoin, a few dollars, okay, area here between the 20 and that uptrend line that we could get some help. And then, possibly wick down to this area. Wick means the price comes down here, that it gets bought back up. See this wick right here into that blue dash line around, let's just call it 42,800. So I think 42,800 could be near term max pain, and then we pull back up and get back into this consolidation zone. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and give us a follow on X, and we will see you on the charts.